All right, we are super excited because we just got 2 of these Hoselinks in and we're gonna be installing those today.
This is gonna be the area we're gonna install it, and we're gonna do this with a really quick, simple pipe install, a 1-inch pipe. But before we do that, let's go ahead and unbox this hose reel. This just tells you a little bit about the Hoselink. I'm not a big directions guy, so here we go. All right, so we got the casing inside. So let's see if there's any assembly to do to this thing. There's a handle to grab onto. This is a mount if you want to mount it onto the wall or onto a post. We're not going to use that today because we're going to be mounting it on a pipe. And then that is the hose nozzle. All right, so this is a 1-inch pipe that I picked up from Lowe's. This one is a 36-inch. You can see it 1 inch by 36. This is a galvanized pipe. The other Hoselink I've installed in the backyard on a 48-inch link. So if I wanted a little bit higher, you can just use a longer pipe. But this one I want it to be a little bit lower so that as the shrubs develop, it'll kind of shroud this a little bit. You won't see the Hoselink as easily. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the caps off of these so that I can hammer this into the ground. There's other ways to do this. You can actually use a 4x4 post if you want to concrete it in. But I'm going to use the pipe. I think it'd be a little bit more forgiving if I decide I want to move it later. If I don't like where it is, I don't have to worry about having it permanently in the ground in concrete or on a post. So I can pull this pipe back out of the ground. I just have to make sure that I drive it down deep enough so it holds the weight of the Hoselink. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this driven, and I'll do my best in making this pipe level. After a few taps, I'm just going to take a look and see how level the pipe is. You can actually use a level if you want to. Let's see how our level looks. And I think I want it a little bit lower, so I'm going to drive it down a little further. Now, I mean, that was pretty quick. Driving it down on the ground with a pipe, no concrete, nothing like that, made it really simple to install. So this is where the feeder hose will connect into the Hoselink right here. All right, so we're basically gonna marry these 2 ends together. And so that will fit down like that. And then that just twist locks into place. Now I'll turn the water on, we'll give that a try. There we go, no leaks. So whenever I'm ready to use a Hoselink, I just turn it to the direction that I want it. In this case, I'm gonna pull it this way. I'm just gonna extend the hose out, and then it locks into place. When I wanna bring the reel back in, I just give it a quick tug and walk it back to the housing, to the reel, and then let it go. Hoselink does not recommend that you just let the hose go on its own. It can actually damage the reel. So you do want to walk it back. Let's go ahead and use this thing. Water in the hydrangea here. When I do that, I'm going to push the valve down, and I've got it set on the shower setting on the nozzle. All right, so let me show you the settings on the spray head because it has several settings there. Go ahead and turn that on. Right now we have the shower setting on. And then we'll move to flat. And we have mist, so if you wanted to spray in some seedlings without disturbing them, you could use the mist setting. Vertical setting. Center. Full. Jet. Cone. It's also kind of a mist, and back to shower. So this is the other one that I installed earlier in the week, and installed this on a 48-inch pipe, so it's a little bit taller. And I did that so it could tuck up against the house here and also clear some of these grow bags. I've got a set of grow bag tomatoes here, so it makes it really easy to water these. But I can also water other parts of the garden over here as well. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. for the Hoselink hose reel. This is a game changer for us. I think it's going to really help us out in the garden. And I definitely recommend you guys contact Hoselink and get one for your garden as well. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.